Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 7X. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning enter settings and now go to display. Here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with wallpaper. We can set wallpaper from our gallery for lock screen and home screen or both. Next, we can adjust full screen display for apps. Enter view mode and select between large, medium and small. Next, we can change text size, set screensaver, enable eye comfort mode and schedule it, change brightness of our display, change color temperature, sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.